Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of General Mills, a company that's a staple in the food industry with its diverse range of beloved brands. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
General Mills reported a slight decline in net sales and operating profit for the first quarter of fiscal 2025. The company saw a 1% decrease in net sales to $4.8 billion and an 11% drop in operating profit to $832 million. Despite these declines, General Mills reaffirmed its full-year fiscal 2025 outlook, emphasizing its strategic initiatives and cost-saving measures. The company also announced the proposed sale of its North American yogurt business to Lactalis and Sodiol.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $4.8 billion, down 1% from $4.9 billion in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP EPS was $1, down 10% from $1.40 in the same period last year. The adjusted non-GAAP EPS was $1.07, down 2% from $1.09 in the same period last year.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
North America Retail net sales were down 2% to $3 billion. North America Pet net sales were down 1% to $576 million. North America Food Service net sales were flat at $536 million. International net sales were flat at $717 million.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP gross margin was 34.8%, down from 36.1% in the same period last year. The adjusted non-GAAP gross margin was 35.4%, unchanged from the same period last year.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Total assets, $31.8 billion. Total liabilities, 22 points. Stockholders' equity, $9.3 billion.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Operating activities, $624 million provided. Investing activities, $148 million used. Financing activities, $429 million used.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Proposed sale of North American yogurt business to Lactalis and Sodiol. Continued focus on delivering superior product news and innovation. Increased levels of investment supported by holistic margin management cost savings.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Input cost inflation, unfavorable net price realization and mix, higher SG&A expenses, competitive dynamics in the consumer foods industry.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
Organic net sales expected to range between flat and up 1%. Adjusted operating profit expected to range between down 2% and flat in constant currency. Adjusted diluted EPS expected to range between down 1% and up 1% in constant currency.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
General Mills experienced a decline in earnings and net sales, but the company remains committed to its strategic initiatives and cost-saving measures. The reaffirmation of its full-year outlook and the proposed sale of its North American yogurt business indicate a focus on long-term growth and profitability.
That's all for today's analysis of General Mills' financial performance and strategic initiatives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think General Mills is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.